Hello students, you all are fine at home. No? Now you have completed lesson 9, Frank's mornings, our subject English. Okay, so what we will do today? Today we will do textual exercises. Can you see here in the? It is written textual exercises. Okay children, so now you all are fine. You have completed your fair book as well. Lesson number 9, Frank's morning. Understood? So, now see. Learning points. So, what we will do today? What we will learn? Today we will do reading. We will do reading. And then we will do textual exercises. Okay, first we will read and textual exercises. Okay, children? So, for reading, first we will revise hard words so it will be able for you to read. Okay. So, hard word number 1. See here. Frank. F-R-A-N-K. Frank. Number 2. Morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Number 3. Delivers. D-E-L-I-V-E-R-S. Number 4, newspaper. N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R. Newspaper. Number 5, rides. R-I-D-E-S. Rides. Okay, so Frank, morning, delivers, newspaper, rides. Okay, now see. See here, who is this? Angry old man. See now number 6, bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Mr. Brown. He is Mr. Brown, no? Grumpy old man. So M-R, Mr. B-R-O-W-N, Brown. Grumpy, G-R-U-M-P-Y, grumpy. Okay? Now, angry, A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Number 10, late, L-A-T-E, late. See now. Bicycle, Mr. Brown, grumpy, angry, late. Okay? Now see, who is this lady? Very good, Mrs. Ali. And this is her house. Small cottage. Okay. So number 11, Mrs. Ali. Number 12, cheerful. C-H-E-E-R-F-U-L. Cheerful. Number 13, small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Number 14, cottage. C-O-T-T-A-G-E. Cottage. You all know, no? Cottage means house. H-O-U-S-E, house, cottage. Mrs. Ali was having a small cottage. Number 15, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Okay, children? See now, Mrs. Ali, cheerful, small, cottage, beautiful. Okay? Now see. See, this is a Mrs. Ali's garden and a small cottage. See, our garden is very beautiful. Okay. So, number 16, spelling of garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. Number 17, roses. R-O-S-E-S. Roses. Number 18, lilies. L-I-L-I-E-S. Lilies. Number 19, bakes. B-A-K-E-S. Bakes. Number 20, fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. Okay, garden, roses, lilies, bakes, fresh. Okay. Now see. See this box of cookies. Number 21, cookies. C-O-O-K-I-E-S. Cookies. 22, box. 23, chocolate. 24, happy. 25. Merrily. BOX, box, CHOCOLATE, chocolate. HAPPY, happy. MERRILY, merrily. Cookies, box, chocolate, happy, merrily. Okay, children. So now we will read the lesson. We will only read, okay? So this is Frank. Every morning he delivers newspapers at homes. He rides a bicycle. First, he stops at Mr. Brown's house. Mr. Brown is a grumpy old man. He gets angry if Frank is late. Understood? Every morning he gives newspapers to homes. And Mr. Brown is a grumpy old man. He always angry when Frank is late. Now see. Next, Frank goes to Mrs. Ali's house. Mrs. Ali is a nice and cheerful lady. She has a small cottage. It has a beautiful garden. There are roses and lilies in it. Frank usually stops at Mrs. Ali's house to talk to her. Sometimes she bakes fresh cookies for him. Understood, children? So where Frank goes to Mrs. Ali's house, and Mrs. Ali is a very nice lady. She is always friendly to Frank. And she has a beautiful house, small cottage and a beautiful garden. And roses and lilies grows in her garden. Okay, so Frank usually stop at Mrs. Ali's house to talk to her. And she bakes fresh cookies for him sometimes. Not always. Sometimes she bakes fresh cookies. Okay, children? Now see what happens one day. One day, Frank goes to Mrs. Ali's house first. She gives him a box of chocolate and cookies. Frank thanks her. Then he rushes to Mr. Brown's house. Frank is late. Mr. Brown is angry. Frank gives him the newspaper and the box of chocolate cookies. Mr. Brown smiles and says, "Thank you." Frank is happy. He cycles away merrily. So once what happened? She is late to go Mr. Brown's house. He started talking with Mrs. Ali, and Mrs. Ali gives him a box of chocolate. So he rushes fast to reach Mr. Brown's house. And when he reached, Mr. Brown was angry. But when Frank gives him a newspaper, can you see in the picture? A newspaper and box of chocolate cookies. He smiles and he says thank you. And this makes Frank happy. And what he do when he is happy? He cycles away merrily. So merrily means happily. Understood, children? Yes. Now see, reading comprehension, we have read it. So now see, I have given the answer also. We have completed in our fair book also. So in your textbook it is given like this. Tick T for true and F for false for these sentences. Okay, you have to tick F if it is false and T if it is true. Frank rides a car. So it is false, F. Frank delivers newspapers to homes. This is true, T. First, Frank stops at Mr. Brown's house. It is true. Mrs. Ali has a big cottage. It is false. Mrs. Ali always bakes fresh cookies for Frank. It is false. Why? Sometimes she bakes, not always. Okay, children? So I hope now you all have done this. Okay, see here. Frank rides a car. False. Frank delivers newspaper to homes. True. First, Frank stops at Mr. Brown's house. True. Mrs. Ali has a big cottage. False. Mrs. Ali always bakes fresh cookies for Frank. It is false. Okay, children? This is very nice. Okay, see what you have to do in here. Color the words blue that begin with the B sound, means B sound. If it spells B, no, you have to color it with blue color. Use pink. You have to use pink color for words that begin with the P sound. Okay, children? So you have understood, if it is B means B, then you have to color it with blue color. If it is P, the word sounds P, then it is pink color. Okay, so first we will do blue color. So this is ban, it is B sound. So B-A-N, ban, B sound. So we will color it blue color. You have to color here blue color. Okay. Then this is best, B-E-S-T, best sounds B. So it is blue color. Now bat, B-A-T, bat, bat sounds B, B sound. So it is blue color. Bad, B sound, B-A-D, bad, it is B sound. So blue color. Okay. Then see here, B-O-X, it is B sound. So box, B-O-X, box, B. Okay, now see. This is bell, B-E-L-L, bell. So it is blue color. Then big, B-I-G, big. So it is B sound, B, big. Okay. So blue color. Brush, B sound, brush, B, blue color. Bed. So you have to color this. Bed, see here, all this you have to color. So it is blue color. And back, B-A-C-K, back. Back also B. So all this blue color you have to color it blue. B sound you have to color with blue. And here pink, P-E-A-S, peas you have to color it with pink. P-A-T, pat, color it pink, pink color. Pan, P sound, color it with pink. Pat, color it with P, pink color. Pest, color it with pink color. And push, color it with pink color. So those I have not marked, no. There you have to color pink because it is P sound. Okay, children? I hope now you all have understood. Okay. Now see vocabulary. People who help us. This is vocabulary, this is in your textbook. Okay? So read the clues and name the people. See, we have to read the clues given here. Choose your answers from the box. One has been done for you. Read the clues. First you have to read the clues. Fireman, greengrocer, bus driver, doctor, teacher. So clue is given. Number 1 is, and then you have to name the person. Here it is given. I'll treat you when you are sick. I treat you when you are sick. So I am a doctor. Okay. Number 2 is, I help to put out fire in buildings. See what he does? I help to put out fire in buildings. I am a fireman. See here, fireman is given. So F-I-R-E-M-A-N, fireman. Now see number 3. I help children to read and write. Read it properly, clue. I help children to read and write. I am a teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Number 4 is, I sell fruits and vegetables. See what I sell? Fruits and vegetables. So who sells fruits and vegetables? You know, we have learned, no? So I am a greengrocer. See here it is given, the name is given, greengrocer. G-R-E-N-G-R-O-C-E-R, greengrocer. Okay. Now see number 5. I drive you to school and drop you back home. I am a bus driver. Bus, B-U-S, bus, D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. See here it is given, bus driver. I treat you when you are sick. I am a doctor. I help to put out fire in buildings. I am a fireman. I help children to read and write. I am a teacher. I sell fruits and vegetables. I am a greengrocer. I drive you to school and drop you back home. I am a bus driver. Okay, children? You all have understood. Okay. So now see grammar, joining words. We have already done this. Joining words we have learned, no? And, but. So we will revise this in this lesson. It is given in textbook, textual exercise. Okay. So what we will do? Joining words and but. In a sentence, 2 or more words can be joined using and, A-N-D, and. In a sentence, 2 or more words can be joined using and. See here, sentence are given. There are roses and lilies in the garden. See, and is joining 2 words, roses, lilies. There are roses and lilies in the garden. See now, Mrs. Ali bakes cakes, cookies and muffins. See, we are using and to join 2 words here. Okay. So now see here, read these sentences. Mrs. Ali is a nice lady. This is about Mrs. Ali. Other sentence is given. Mrs. Ali is a cheerful lady. See here, two sentences are given. Mrs. Ali is a nice lady. Mrs. Ali is a cheerful lady. So sentences can also be joined using and. See your sentence also we can join. The above sentences can be joined like this. How we have to join these two sentences? See, both the sentences are telling about Mrs. Ali. Mrs. Ali is a nice lady. Mrs. Ali is a cheerful lady. So we have to join nice and cheerful. So how we will do? See here. Mrs. Ali is a nice and cheerful lady. Mrs. Ali is a nice and cheerful lady. Okay, children? Very good. So, now we will do. Join these sentences using and. See what we have to do here? We have to join the sentences using and. One has been done for you. See now number 1. I brush my teeth in the morning. I comb my hair in the morning. Both the thing I do in the morning only. Brush teeth and comb hair. So how we will join it? See answer here it is given. I brush my teeth and comb my hair in the morning. I brush my teeth and comb my hair in the morning. Okay. See number 2. I like pink color. I also like purple color. So I like pink and purple color. Okay. In this sentence, two sentences are given. So how we will join? I like pink color and purple color. Both the color I like, no? So only one sentence. We are making one sentence out of two sentences. I like pink color and purple color. Okay. Now see number 3. We should eat fruits every day. We should also eat vegetables every day. See, we should eat fruits and vegetables, no? So we will join like this. We should eat fruits and vegetables every day. We should eat fruits and vegetables every day. Okay, children? Now see number 4. I love my mother, I love my father. I love my mother and my father. Simple. I love my mother, I love my father. Two sentences we have to make one by adding and. Number 5. Ria danced in the park. Ria sang in the park. See here. Dance and sang. Both the words, there are other words all are same. So how we will join? We will join like this. Ria danced and sang in the park. Ria danced and sang in the park. Okay, children? So now see, read this sentence. I like mangoes. I do not like apples. See, both the sentences are not same. Here he likes, here do not like. So these sentences can also be joined. These types of sentences we can join. However, we cannot use and. Here we have not to use and. Instead, we use the word but. What we will, both are different, no? Here I like mangoes, I don't like apples. So we will use but. Okay? So see how I will use. I like mangoes, but I do not like apples. So the joining words and is used to join two similar sentences. However, the joining word but is used to join two sentences with opposite ideas. See here, we use and for similar and but for opposite ideas. Understood, children? So now see here, join this sentence and rewrite using but. One has been done for you. Here we have to use but, B-U-T, but. Okay? Varun is wearing socks. Varun is not wearing shoes. See the difference between two sentences. Socks and shoes, but wearing socks, not wearing shoes. So Varun is wearing socks but not shoes. See number 2. Seema fell down. Seema did not get hurt. Join like this. Seema fell down but did not get hurt. Seema fell down but did not get hurt. Number 3. I found my bag. I could not find my books. I found my bag but not my books. Okay? Found bag but not books. Grandma is old. Grandma is very active. Grandma is old but very active. Different ideas, no? We have done this in grammar. Number 5. It is raining today. It will be sunny tomorrow. It is raining today, but it will be sunny tomorrow. It is raining today, but it will be sunny tomorrow. Okay, children? Now see, we will revise. We have done punctuation marks also. Okay? So number 1 is, the cat is sitting on the tree. So first letter should be capital. We have to use punctuation. First letter capital, at the end full stop. So how we will write this sentence? The cat is sitting on the tree. Full stop. T capital. The cat is sitting on the tree. Same sentence, but first letter capital, at the end full stop. When will you come home? When will you come home? This is a question mark we are asking. So W capital, when will you come home? It is a question, so it is a question mark. Rima and I are going to have lunch. So here I capital, I is always capital, and here first letter R is also capital. So Rima and I are going to have lunch. It is a sentence, so full stop. Rima R capital, I capital. Number 4. My father reads the newspaper daily. So first letter M capital. My father reads the newspaper daily. Okay. Number 5. Do I know you? See here. It is a question. So D capital. I is always capital. Do I know you? It is a question. So we have to put question mark. Do I know you? Do I know you? See, you have understood? See, if the sentence then full stop. If it is a question, you have to put question mark. And first letter is always capital. Remember that. And I is always capital if it is also in the middle of the sentence. Understood, children? So we have learned this. First letter capital and I is always capital if in the sentences or in the question. If it is question, you have to put question mark. If it is a sentence, then you have to put full stop. Understood, children? Very good. So I hope now you all have understood the lesson properly. You all have done textual exercise also today. Okay, children? So you have done, no? Very good. So now I hope you all are doing well, completed your fair book. So I hope you will read the lesson with correct spelling. Okay, children, we will read, read the lesson carefully with correct spelling and pronounce it well. Okay, you will learn reading. So, at the last, you thank you all and take care of yourself.